Hello guys, this is a basic tutorial on how to use Canva. So I will go to I will go to a few things that we can do with Canva and how you can do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to create an account with your Google account. And there are two things. They have free things and the other things are like pro versions. So I will go through only free things. So you can only find a lot of free templates and things to do, but there are also very pro things that you'll have to get with only pro. So the most common thing that people make are presentations, business cards, resumes. So the main thing you have to do is you have to search for whatever you want. Like there are templates for most of the things. For example, if I want to create a presentation, I will type presentation, search in the search section, and I'll get it. Now, when I click on the presentation, I will choose one of them. Make sure that whenever you're clicking on a presentation, there is no pro if you're using the free version. And if you're using a pro, you can use any of the template. Now, I'll choose this presentation. Now, I'll always click on this customize this template. And after that, I will see that there are different types of slides in the template. Now, if I want to upload my own content, I will click on this upload. There is a section and upload files. Now, when I upload the files, I will just drag them here and just change it accordingly. For example, I don't want this picture. I click on this, I delete it, and I add my own picture and put it here. Now, after that, if I want different actions to be performed, for example, I want a transition. Now, I will click on these three dots and I will look for add transition. Now, when I click on this add transition, I will can choose that slide and different other transitions. For example, I'll choose this one to have add transition and I'll choose flow. Yeah. So it's just that simple. Now, if I want a transition to apply everywhere, I will click on this, apply between all pages. Now it will apply between every page. You can see here. So, and when I want to save, I will just click on this and I can just download. And you can do these same things for resumes, business cards, and everything else. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.